Hey SDI, my name is Dave Story. This is my project for week 3 for FTT 214, and today is 9 June 2026. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is cutting the border and the master lines into the pattern that I've already marked onto our blank here. I'm going to do the outside with some of the striping tape, and then I'm going to do the master lines with some of the Scotch tape here, just to be able to get the lines on here. I already have my cutter set up. This is the 90-degree cutter, single line cutter, so I can do the border and the master lines. First though, I will go over them with a sharp with my X-Acto knife. It says a pocket knife in, I'll probably actually use one of these. It says a pocket knife in the text, but I'm going to use a razor blade because it's a little bit finer and it's probably one of the sharper things that I have. And I think it'll be easier for me to manipulate this than it would be one of my pocket knives. So let's get started. So I've used the stripe tape to get my border lines. I'm going to cut the inside of these for my inside border, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the master lines here with the Scotch tape. I'm going to go ahead and start with my X-Acto knife and cut my border lines. I'm going to use a straight edge for the straight lines, and then my best for the border lines. So here it is with my pattern cut for the borders and the master lines with my knife. Now I'm going to go into my single cutter and do the border and the master lines with that. So here is my pattern cut with I have a little bit of overrun on some of the outside lines. Just getting used to the cutter, never used it before, so it's pretty intuitive as long as you have a good line with the sharp knife there. I've deepened it a little bit, and I think I'm ready to start on to my next one. I do believe that once I get a lot of the lines cut in, I may cut a outside border in when I'm all done with it. So that way anything that goes over or any of these lines that kind of went over like this can be cleaned up.